so I am not ashamed of Fenty Beauty, and I will not be canceling my girl Riri. Hello Explorers, Kid Explorer here, and today I am back for another monthly series about the environment, how you can have a more sustainable living process to help the planet and help our future on this planet. So today we're going to talk about eco-friendly beauty products. Now, beauty consists of a lot of different things, so today we're going to focus on makeup. And I have 3 items that I'm going to share with you that you can do to replace, and some resources and whatever. But why do we need to care about this, and why are makeup products so wasteful and harmful to the environment? So let me get my notes. So did you know most of the packaging made for makeup can take hundreds to thousands of years to decompose back into the planet? And that means we're using way more resources on a daily basis than what the planet can replenish. Therefore, eventually we're going to run out because the planet cannot keep up, okay? And for what we do have made, most people do not recycle those items, or they may not even be recyclable. And not to mention, makeup is made with a lot of toxic chemicals, and those toxic chemicals can wash off into soil and water, which can harm our habitats as well as eco-life. So today, like I mentioned, we're going to go over 3 items that you should look into to replace, to become more eco-friendly but still be beautiful at the same time. So now I'm going to head into my bathroom because we're going to talk about the beauty products in there. So let's go around the corner to the bathroom. First thing we're going to talk about are makeup wedges, which you use to help apply your makeup, okay? So this is usually your quick and cheap way to go to the drugstore and get these makeup wedges. But the better way, which a lot of people already have, is to get a beauty blender. So wedges, they usually tend to use a lot of product. A lot of product is going to go to waste if you use a beauty wedge to apply your makeup. And not only, you cannot use these as often as the beauty blender. So eventually you're going to have to dispose of them, and they are meant to be disposable. And some of them you can't even really reuse. But with the beauty blender, first of all, this packaging is completely recyclable, and the beauty blender is made with recyclable materials. So they did not use any new material to create this product. And also, it is meant to be reused. So you can reuse it and reuse it for a long time period compared to the wedges. And it is meant for you to use minimum product, meaning it's not wasting so much product on the actual beauty blender. It's using what it needs to use and not wasting your product. And not to mention, it is still recyclable, even though it's made from recyclable material, but it's also recyclable, and it is made with non-toxic dye for the cute pink look for the beauty blender. Now, there are some wedges that are now starting to become biodegradable or recyclable, so you can look into them. But I know these cheap things I have gotten from the drugstore, usually that I take for travel or something, is just not it. But using this is now it. There is a big difference in the pricing. So the beauty blender goes for $20, whereas you can get a whole pack of these things for like $3 from the drugstore. Now, like I said, you can use this for a long time period, where these you may use just maybe 1 or 2 times. And so you could probably go through a pack of these a lot quicker than you would go through this. And I will use this in a little bit because I need to apply some makeup, because as you can see, I have none on. Let's go on to the next item. So next up, let's talk about products, because you know we need to be able to use our makeup products, or we don't need to, we want to use our makeup products. So first thing, let's talk about homegirl Fenty. So Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. We will not have to cancel Riri. I have been using Fenty products for a while now, and I love it. It's just perfect for me. And I was like, let me start researching to see if my girl Riri, I know she just had a whole bunch of money donated to environmentally conscious companies that are doing things to help the climate change crisis. So I'm like, I just know my homegirl Riri just has to be doing things right with her product. And she is, because they believe in reusing, reducing, recycling, and all of that, and doing what they can for the environment while still making their products. So a couple things about Fenty. You can actually have products refilled. I don't know the specifics behind it, but I will leave a link down below to Fenty Beauty's website so you can read more about their reduce, reuse, recycle program, okay? And so you can have products refilled. Another thing they do, when they can, they do use recyclable materials to make packaging. And if they try to like not use as much packaging, but if something does need additional packaging to keep it safe, all of that stuff is recyclable. But one thing to note, they aren't completely vegan free. So if that's something you are looking for, not all of their products are like 100% vegan free, but they are all environmentally conscious. So I am not ashamed of Fenty Beauty, and I will not be canceling my girl Riri. So, look at that. See, using the beauty blender here. But anyway, so if you want a makeup line that is completely vegan free, as well as supportive of helping the environment, which is A1, we need to do that, check out Merit Beauty. So I found out about Merit Beauty from 2 of my YouTuber friends. And so I was like, let me check out Merit Beauty. So Merit Beauty, and I have some, which I'll be applying here soon, some lip color from them. And I also did get the concealer because I wanted to check this out and see how comparable it is to Fenty Beauty. But I'm not a beauty channel, so I will not be doing that. That's something for my own test. But Merit Beauty is vegan and cruelty free, and their packaging is recyclable. It is reusable and or biodegradable. So they are overall eco-friendly. So let's move on to the next that I want to talk about that you can do for your makeup products that will help you in the environment in the long run. Anyway, so if you do have makeup packaging like this, you know, compacts and stuff like that, you can't just throw those in the trash, you guys. Don't do that. And I know it's not that easy to recycle, but there is a company, and I'll link it down below, called TerraCycle. So you can go to that website and you can type in your zip code and they'll actually tell you where you can go to recycle. And when I did it, I found a lot of places near me. Actually, the one place I do recycle at, my city's recycling center, takes these products. So they take things like your cosmetic packaging, your skincare packaging, and your hair care packaging, and they will recycle it. So this, once I finish with this, it will go directly to the recycling center that is like around the corner for me. So you definitely need to check that out. Or if you're like a company or you want to try to sign up, I think they have a waiting list or whatever, but you can go on their website and sign up for their TerraCycle program. With the TerraCycle program, all you have to do is go on their website, request a shipment, you pack up your stuff in a box, you print out a label, and then you send it to TerraCycle for free. So all of this is free, and it helps the environment, and you're able to still get your cosmetics, and we're not wasting and using resources of the planet that won't be able to be repaired for generations to come. So let me put this lip color on and we'll move on to the next. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about are makeup wipes. A lot of makeup wipes may contain ingredients like plastic, which means they cannot easily biodegrade back into the planet, meaning hundreds or so years for it to biodegrade back into the planet. Also, not to mention, they contain a lot of harsh chemicals. So when I signed up for Grove Collaborative at the end of December, I found an alternative. So I switched to Acure towelettes that I bought through Grove Collaborative. And if you want to see more about Grove Collaborative, you can check out the link up here, this card up here, or check out the link in the description box. And if you're interested in signing up for Grove, you can always click on the referral link down below and you will get, I believe, a free gift when you sign up. But it's no, I don't pay work for them. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's literally a referral code. So these wipes, they are good for your face and they will clean anything. So dirt, oil, makeup, whatever. And these makeup wipes are made from natural ingredients. So they're not toxic and they are recyclable. And this is something where TerraCycle will also recycle, okay? So I definitely made the switch to this product here. I'm actually gonna show you how it looks. It opens up just like any other makeup wipe. And then I'm going to pull it out. So as you can see, here is the wipe. And I'm just going to I'm not going to take off my whole makeup because I got to do my outro, you guys. But I'm going to wipe up here. And as you can see, it's coming off. And like my face actually feels really good with using this. So definitely a nice replacement, a nice alternative to have, not an alternative, a nice replacement and a nice product to have to be eco-friendly in regards to makeup. Okay, explorers, I hope you enjoyed these eco-friendly beauty products, and I hope you start to incorporate these products into your makeup routine. Now, there is a lot of different options out there, and I actually found an article from Bazaar magazine, maybe? I can't remember, but I have it linked down below where they talk about a lot of different eco-friendly beauty products that people can try out. So definitely check that out and definitely do your research. Make sure products are able to be used ethically, responsibly, and able to go back into the environment because we've wasted enough, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions about this topic, please leave them down below in the comment box. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when all of my videos are released. Videos are released on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And on my channel, I talk about all things travel, photography, and the environment. Subscribing is free and it helps your girl out to help me provide better and more content in the future. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can become aware and switch to more sustainable products as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.